guys, and welcome back to my channel. I grabbed this mystery box from Michael's craft store for $10. I assumed it would have either leftover Christmas clearance or maybe some Valentine's Day thrown inside, but I had no idea. I've seen some floating around on TikTok and Instagram about what people got, and I had to join in on the fun and see what would be inside the, again, Michael's $10 mystery box. At first glance, it looks okay. I'm not like super mad. I mean, clearly just looking at it, there's a lot more than $10 inside the box. The first thing was some red foam sheets for crafting with. Then was this kind of looks like dead flowers stem, kind of random. There was only one of them in there. Next we have a few little snowflake picks. Then this green beaded garland. Perfect for Christmas. Maybe even could throw it in for like St. Patrick's Day decoration. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these twirly red picks. Easy to craft with. Cannot complain about that. Noel sign. For Christmas time, I will save it for next year, of course. The silver Santa sleigh is okay. It's not really in my decor realm, but it's okay. This ornament tray, I feel like I could do something next year with crafting with maybe resin. Some Christmas ornament hooks with more to come. Just me realizing gonna have more to fit on this table. Some picks that kind of look like maybe for like New Year's celebration with some silver and gold garland on them. A make your own countdown kit for Santa's mailbox. And then another countdown kit for when Santa comes. It's cute. You just use it as like a dry erase marker. One clear ornament bulb. Some frosted pine cones. Another silver Santa thing, which I don't know about. Not through a link. Some more picks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 more picks. I mean, this is like already worth $10 to me, so the picks are fine. I can always use them for crafting. More clear ornament bulbs. And 1, 2, 3, 4 more silver Christmas hooks. Clearly they had a lot to get rid of, and I got 5 of them. One random black ornament bulb. A small Christmas tree. I think it was originally like maybe $12 or $15. And then 80 foot of this Christmas candy cane ribbon. Again, this is clearly worth more than $10, so I'm not complaining at all. And that's it. I don't know how often they do these. This is my first time grabbing one of these. I don't know if they do it for every season, but it's a cool idea. I see people trying to like poke through the boxes to see what they could find in there. I may grab another one if I can maybe see what's inside, but I'm not complaining. This was great for $10. Let me know if you tried it and what you've gotten too.